children, on that dance note, I welcome you back for the EVS NCRT lessons for grade 3. I am Pankhuri and I will be taking you through lesson 6 today. As the title suggests, Food We Eat talks all about the different sources, kinds, nutrients, and groups of food. The lesson takes us to a conversation among a few friends sitting in the garden, discussing about the kind of meals their mothers prepare at home. It throws light on the different eating habits of different people, not only in the same house, but also in various regions of the country. For instance, people who are too old or too young, like infants, cannot eat hard things, while dosa is a favorite food of South India, but chole bhature is liked by North Indians. Do you know why it is so? Well, keep on thinking. You will get all your answers once we complete this lesson. Moving on, let us first understand the meaning of the new terms which you will come across in your life. The first word that you must have heard is raw. Raw means fresh or something which is not cooked. It can also be taken as the opposite for the ripe when we talk about fruits and vegetables. For example, a raw banana is green in color and is cooked before eating as a vegetable, while a ripe banana is yellow in color and is enjoyed as a fruit. Next we have nutrients. These are the substances that help living things to live and grow. Balanced diet is a diet containing all the nutrients in the right amount. Non-vegetarian person or a diet is the one which includes animal products, primarily meat. In contrast, vegetarian diet is a diet from which we do not have any meat products. Nowadays, a new emerging term is vegan. A vegan person is someone who does not eat animal products including meat, milk, eggs, that is, any item obtained from animals in any form. Now let me take you to the science behind food. Food is the substance which is rich in nutrients. It is something that is essential for people, animals and plants to maintain life and growth. Children, you must be wondering why we must all give so much importance to our food. Well, your answer lies on the board. Food is essential for all living things to survive, grow and repair many damaged tissues, get energy to do work, and remain healthy. Now that we have understood the meaning and importance of food, let us understand where do we get it from. The two main sources of food are animals and plants. I am sure you all can list out a few examples from each category. Children, all our food consists of important substances that help us live and grow and are called as nutrients. These are further named as carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins. You will learn in detail about these nutrients in higher classes. Look at this picture. Are you able to link the various food items with the nutrients it contains? Probably. Some of them you may be able to relate, but a few you may not be able to. To clear this doubt in your mind, let us move on in understanding the various groups of food. All food can be divided into three categories. Broadly, it can be named as bodybuilding food, energy giving, and protective foods. The bodybuilding food is rich in proteins, while energy giving food is rich in carbohydrates and fats. The food rich in vitamins and minerals is known as the protective food. The bodybuilding food helps us to build muscles. On the other hand, energy-giving food provides energy to the body, and protective food protects against development of deficiency diseases. Let us now look at a few examples of these groups of food. Meat, milk, eggs, nuts, fish are a few sources of bodybuilding food. Energy-giving foods include potato, wheat, maize, yam, while fruits and vegetables come under the category of protective foods. It will not be difficult to design a healthy diet for us after being aware of the components of food and the type of food items we must eat to build, protect, or energize our body. Children, you must remember to eat a balanced diet because a balanced diet not only consists of a variety of food items but also provides adequate amounts of the necessary nutrients essential for good health. As you can see from the picture, a meal of a balanced diet looks something like this. It shows the percentage of the nutrients which we must eat in any given meal of the day. Knowledge about the balanced diet will help us adopt to healthy eating habits by including a combination of various food items in appropriate amounts with reference from a food pyramid. This is a picture of a food pyramid. It shows which food item must be moderately eaten and which item must be eaten in limited quantities. Our eating habits depend on various factors such as income, food prices, health, individual preferences and beliefs, cultural traditions, geographical locations, environmental and social factors. Going further to elaborate a few, income and prices is related to the money which we can spend. India being a country with different cultures and traditions, it is observed that some people are vegetarians while some are non-vegetarians. Rice is grown in abundance in southern part of India, while wheat in the northern region. Thus, we observe that South Indian food contains dishes prepared mainly from rice, while North Indian dishes use wheat. Children, have you observed? You love to eat ice creams and mangoes in hot weather, while hot stuffed parathas in winters. This is so because our preferences change with the environment too. Many times we love the meals prepared by our friend's mother and wish our moms to adopt the recipe. This is an example of the social factors which influence our eating habits. Last but not the least, our health plays an important role too. Observe that old people and newborns cannot chew hard food due to the absence of teeth and digestion power. Children, try to eat a well-balanced and a healthy diet. If you all are getting your meals every day, then consider yourself to be blessed and thank your parents for the same. Also, keep in mind to never waste food. Thank you all for being such great listeners. I hope you enjoyed today's session and got all the answers to the questions which you had in mind at the beginning of the lesson. Share your feedback and keep watching this space for more videos.